test drive the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.